I'm turning my meat and I see that the pancetta is starting to come off. My heart's beating 100 beats a minute, and I just know that I can't rush myself.
Make sure you've got all the elements on that plate. There are only 15 minutes remaining.
Come on. Focus. 15 minutes to go, and I need to put my eggs in because already it's late. I realized that my oil is too hot. And then I decided, you know what, I'm going to put my oil in my measuring jug and put the eggs in there and literally hope for the best.
I'm left with sauteing my vegetables. I still have my egg on the stove.
Do you want to shout out to Timmy? You've forgotten the meat. Just, get the meat out of the oven.
I see you just cut your meat. Are you happy with it?
Not at all, chef. So it was well done instead of medium rare. Just hoping that I get the plate together and it looks good and that might pull me through. I'm hoping the pancetta stays on the Warthog when it gets judged.
There are only 5 minutes remaining. That is it. Come on, you guys can do this. Come on.
Let's go.
You know what? I'm going to take these 5 minutes. I'm going to plate my plate up as best as I can and make sure I've got every element on.
There had to be emphasis and focus on the presentation. I know it's a very important component of the plate.
All the elements of the dish were done correctly, so now I need to plate it properly.
Good catch. Holy cow. She dropped it and she caught it again. Are you doing well, baby? You're doing well.
60 seconds remaining. Then it's all done. Come on, guys.
Come on.
Get it on the plate.
Come on. Go, Timmy, go, Sharon. Go there. Come on.
Right, 10 seconds remaining. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop cooking.
I am happy that I am still in the game. I was given a chance to prove myself. I am feeling kiff.
How did you feel about being in the first pressure test for MasterChef?
I don't think I've been given an opportunity yet to show you guys what I can do.
You think you've done enough to keep hold of your apron?
I maybe didn't handle my time management too well. I'm hoping that all the things from all 4 elements are strong enough to pull me through.
Let's find out.
Shannon, the egg is overcooked. Shannon, the egg wasn't at the right consistency. The aioli had every element done perfectly.
Vegetables, crisp, sweet, glossy. Loved it.
Thank you so much, Chef.
The significant one is the pork. Clearly overcooked.
2 of those elements out of the 4 weren't done properly.
Thanks, Shane.
Mary,
Yes, Chef.
big day in the MasterChef kitchen today.
Lots and lots of pressure, doubting myself at some point.
What were you doubting yourself about?
I didn't think that I was worthy to be here. I think it was probably the whole experience was just overwhelming me, and I sort of like put a lot of pressure on myself.
It's a bit touch and go there with that egg.
I think the egg was going to be the make or break part.
So, Andrew, what do you think of the presentation?
You've got every element of those vegetables on there. I was a bit concerned at one stage. You've got the aioli on there. You've pulled it through properly.
Let's get into the tasting and see if it matches your masterpiece.
Looks pretty good from here.
Mary, I think you've got that Warthog Loin just on the edge. I said medium rare, you've got it to medium, but it still worked. The egg yolk had that light scent of smokiness to it. A very nice attempt. You've done it justice.
Thank you so much, Chef.
The vegetables had that crisp but sweet taste to them.
Mary, pork was cooked nice. The dish looked virtually the same as Andrew's.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you.
Thanks, Mary.
Hearing the judges say that my dish was almost perfect boosted my confidence.
Timmy, a big day for you today.
The first challenge went in there, tried a little too much, off to the hollandaise, and it was just a matter of seconds that I was out. Everything was just, yeah.
But you were clearly upset when that happened.
Yeah.
Why?
You wake up every morning and you go do something and you do it for the money. But it's not me. It's not my soul. It's all my passion.
What's your passion?
My dream is to be able to put a plate that will put a smile on people's face.
Okay, well, should we go in for the tasting? Benny? Egg is well overcooked to me.
To me, it's evident that the Warthog Loin was overcooked. So was the egg yolk. But the vegetables were nice and sweet.
The warthog was overcooked, but it wasn't completely dried out. And I think the pancetta around it kept some of that moisture into that meat. You got the balance of that mustard and the honey with the rosemary just right. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Timmy, your egg yolk was clearly overcooked. Your Warthog loin was overcooked, but it still had moisture in it. And vegetables were cooked well. Shannon, your Warthog was clearly overcooked, as was the egg yolk. The vegetables were done properly. Mary, your dish today was the closest to mine. The Warthog was cooked medium. Your egg yolk was done perfectly. The vegetables had a crunch and a lovely taste to them, and the aioli was good. It is clear to say that you are safe today You can go to the gallery. Well done.
It made me think that actually, you know what, you're not such a bad cooker after all. You can do this.
The first elimination challenge is probably the worst one of the lot. Because nobody wants to be the first person to leave.
At this point, I'm feeling none. My fate lies in the hands of the judges.
This is MasterChef, and someone has to go today. But whatever the outcome, you can be proud of what you've done up until now. The first person to leave MasterChef is Shannon.